Hey, this is Michael from 256 Mike on YouTube. Man, I was just using my camera to record to change the water pump. After I did it, the camera wasn't working. So let me tell you guys a 1, 2, 3 how to do it. Very simple. Take these four screws off right here, right? First, you're going to loosen this up, right? Then you're going to loosen this up right here. Now you're going to come back and start loosening this up. The tensioner comes loose. You get your belt off, right? Then you got 2 screws right here. This is your power steering racket right here. You see it? You see down there on the back? Okay, on the bottom of this racket, it's connected to the side of the engine. You got it on take that nut out. Okay? Then there's 2 nuts, one here and one on the bottom of this wheel that goes to the your water pump. You see, it's a brand new water pump. Okay, then you got 4 screws for the water pump. You pull them out, pull the water pump out, take some gasket maker right there, put a little layer around it, then put your gasket on it, boom, put another little layer on it, and then put the water pump on. 20 foot of torque on your 20 pounds of torque on your screws. Okay, and then you just put everything back together. Okay, through these holes right here, you're going to loosen up these 4 nuts right here. These 4 screws, you see them? Because you want your power steering has to come out. It has to, with the whole racket, it has to stay loose. Then you just put everything back together, and that's how the belt goes. Look how the belt goes. You see it? Like that. Then it goes up and round and round, and there it goes. And that's how you change your water pump. And I recommend you buy the one with the lifetime warranty. It's like $20 more. It's worth it. It truly is. And this is a 1998 Jeep Cherokee with a 4.0 V6 engine that I'm working on. And this water pump was replaced 5 years ago. And it went out and it has to get replaced again. So I just replaced it. That's the new one. Yeah. But yeah, that's how you do it. Then you tighten everything back up, and then that's it. It's yours. That's it. It's done. All right. You see? You can take some brake cleaner with a rag. You know, get you a little razor. There's the razor right there. Once you take the old power steering out, you know, you clean it. Like I say, look, this video would have been way better, but my camera stopped recording when I was making it. So I truly apologize. And I don't want this job to go to waste. But I just showed you what you need to do. This is your fan right here. This is the last thing you're going to put back on. It goes right here. Boom. It has 2 screws. One here, one there. Then the guard that goes right here. Your engine fan. Boom, 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 boom. Done. There's the 2 screws to go with it. 1, 2, 3. It's super easy to do. Anybody can do this. Anybody. You don't need to take this off. This is where your thermostat is at. Okay? But if you're replacing the water pump, go ahead and replace the thermostat. You might as well. Okay? But there you go. This is a 1, 2, 3 job. Alright? Well, thanks for watching. This is Michael, and subscribe.